So hey guys, I'm from ACM Student Chapter Dhanbad. I'll be explaining problem A from Codeforce's Global Round 9. So in this problem, we are given an array of n integers where n is an odd number, and what they are saying is that we have to perform some flips such that at least uh, these many adjacent differences are greater than equal to 0, and the same number of adjacent differences at least the same number of adjacent differences are less than equal to 0. Okay, so what do they mean by adjacent differences is something like your a of I plus 1 should be greater than a of I for at least n minus 1 by 2 elements, and your a of I should be less than equal to a of I plus 1 for at least n minus 2 by n minus 1 by 2 elements, right? Okay, so and what is the flip game is that we can just flip the signs of the integers given, right? Sorry, so you'll be given some n integers. What we can do is that we can just change the sign of any of the integer any number of times, है ना? Okay, so since you can see that it is like making half of the elements greater than the previous one and half of the elements less than the previous one, है ना? So you can relate it to the mountain type structure something like this. My one element is smaller, then larger, then smaller, then larger, smaller, larger, smaller, right? Okay, so what I'll do to implement such type of a code, what I'll do is I want to assure that this particular element is pakka smaller than this element, right? Okay, so this is a simple thing that to observe that all the even positions in this case are smaller than the odd positions, है ना? And what they are asking is that we can flip the signs. So what I can think is that for all the even positions, I'll take the negative of that number, है ना? And for all the odd positions, I'll take the positive of that number. Okay, so this will assure that your this number will be smaller than this number, है ना? And the same thing is repeated. Okay, so here is the code that I have written for each number. For like I'm storing in x, so I'll do absolute of x, and if it is even, I'll just multiply it by minus 1 or do x is equal to minus x, right? And then print it. So I'll be sharing the accepted solution with you guys.